Hey friends, welcome back. I'm LlamaMamaKayla and I appreciate you stopping by for a visit today. I am videoing on a brand new device and so I'm not sure exactly how to work it and stuff, so bear with me. Maybe I'll figure it out. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like maybe I'm just a floating head. I like to give a little bit of body there with it, but it is what it is. And so I think the color looks really good though. So we'll see how the video looks, once I get it uploaded. So anyway, I finished a crochet project and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is so cute. You're going to want to make this. Okay. Look at this baby. Oh, look at her. You can barely see her mouth, but she does have a little pink mouth there. And so this is called a flip it doll. Now you might wonder what? But it's called flip it. And so what you do is you take this part right here, just push your thumbs in, and you just flip the bonnet over, and now your baby's asleep. Oh, isn't that cute? When I saw this pattern had been released, I was like immediately went and bought it. Okay, so this baby is called a flip it doll. It's a bonnet baby. Sid has a bonnet on. You take the bonnet, you flip it over, and now your baby's awake. And so, isn't that just so cute? I love it. This crochet pattern is by Valerie at Valerie's Cuddly Cat Crochet and Sewing on YouTube. And so when I saw Valerie share her baby that she made, I just thought it was really cute, and I wanted to go and buy the pattern and support my friend Valerie and create this cute little baby. I'm going to give this to my little niece, Hazel. She'll be 2 years old in June, so I'm going to give it to her. Let's see. So this side you have the wake, and then on this side right here, she's asleep. So you're covering one side up, and it's easy to flip. I mean, I don't know that a 2-year-old could, so mama might have to flip it. But you just flip it like that, and she's asleep. So you have a little sleep baby. Isn't that cute? I just think it's an adorable idea, and I think Valerie plans on making some more flip it type dolls. So that I'm looking forward to that in the future. So anyway, I want to tell you a little bit about Valerie. She is such a sweet lady. She loves cats. She's a school teacher, and she, crochets in her spare time, which, school teachers are overworked. They are. And so she probably doesn't have a lot of spare time, but she gets a lot of crocheting done. She does. So she has a YouTube channel, Valerie's Cuddly Cat Crochet and Sewing, and I will give her link to her video, her channel below, and I'm also going to give a link to her Etsy shop. Now this pattern was $4, and it's worth $4. It is, because it's a cute little baby. So cute, great pattern. She says in the pattern that she doesn't care if you make her product, her pattern, and then sell it. She just says, don't share the pattern, don't sell the pattern, and to always give her credit that she created the pattern. So that is just really great. So if you do craft shows, these would be so cute. And you would have to put a little, have one made awake, and then have another one made and show it asleep, and then have a little sign that says, flip it doll, flip it bonnet, and you'd be telling people about the doll all day long, but no telling how many you would sell. Now this pattern is single crochet, except up here you do have a row of double crochet, and then this is double crochet, and then the ruffle on the other side is also a one row of double crochet. The pattern is moderate beginner with some experience. So the pattern is easy to make when you start at the head and you work down and you come back up and you end with the other head. And so that's all really simple, easy to do. And then you just follow the directions on how to make the bonnet and put that on. You do whip stitch that on, and it's very easy to do. I didn't have any problems doing that at all. The only struggle that I would say that I had, and it really, I don't know, it might be just a me problem, but you don't really, when you put this ruffle on, you don't really have a certain stitch there that you're putting the ruffle into. You're just kind of, I don't know, you're just kind of going, you're not going into a stitch, you're kind of going into where you made a stitch. I don't know how to describe that really, but I'll just put my hook in wherever I get my hook in. And it turned out great. It turned out great. No problems, I did have to rest my hands several times doing that, but it's not a race. Take your time, lay it down, go do something else, and come back, pick it up, and do a little bit more. Because on these, you are doing 3 double crochets in each, I would say stitch, but it's not really a stitch. It's just a space. So anyway, the pattern calls for a G hook. Now when I sat down to make it, I did not have my G hook. I had my H hook, and I was just like, oh well. And I made it. So mine is made with an H hook. And I did make my body a little bit longer. If you've been with me a while, you know that I'm going to, any pattern I make, I'm going to change it a little bit. But that's the only thing I did change. I mean, I used the wrong size hook, and I made my body a little bit longer. I just felt like maybe because I used a bigger hook that she was a little wider, and I felt like that she was kind of really not long enough for the width that mine turned out. So I just added a few more stitches. So you can do that. You can do less rows or more rows, But she turned out so cute, and she was a quick workup. Like, she didn't take long. You could some people could probably make these dolls in one sitting, If you can sit for an hour and a half to 2 hours to crochet, you could probably make this doll. Or you can, make it in sections, make the body, and then come back and make the bonnet, and then come back and make the ruffle, It's not hard. Like I said, the skill on the pattern itself says moderate beginner. I would say the only thing that I would say was beyond beginner was just figuring out where to put the hook in to make this ruffle, because it's not a certain stitch there. You're just kind of going in where you kind of in between a stitch. I mean, it's where you had made a stitch before, but you're not going into the, at least it didn't turn out that way for me, but it turned out great, but you're not going into a stitch like the V on the top. You're just going into a space there and making a stitch. I don't know how to describe it, but it's doable. I'm not saying it's not doable at all. It is doable. And I think it just turned out really cute, and I'm proud of it. Look forward to giving it to my niece. And I'm probably going to make another one and use the G hook and make it, the shorter baby. And so I might just make her several little babies. If she likes it, I'll make her one of every color. I don't know. That's for my little niece, Hazel. She will be 2 in June, and she does not play with toys. She only plays with stuffed animals, and so I think she might like it. I hope she does. And like I said, if she does, I'll make her different sizes or whatever, But it's a great pattern. I think Valerie did great creating this pattern. And it's only $4. And I'm going to leave the link to her Etsy shop below. So if you think it's cute, go check out Valerie's Etsy shop. She has some other patterns in there too. I'm trying to think what she had in there. I can't remember. She had a different kind of doll, maybe some decor stuff. But yeah, that's a Flip It doll, a Bonnet Baby. Bye, friends. I will see you all again soon.